it's an aftermarket kit, but it looks like it's got a little. Basically, the electric drive sits in the steering line. It just runs off the battery.
Oh, okay.
And you can turn it up or down, just like the one it does. Yeah, it's like.
What's going on? It's your boy TK here, back with another video.
That's what these are.
You already know what this is.
Yeah, they don't have.
Been wanting to film one of these for a long time, but today is the day. We're gonna film a Cobra today. I'm gonna give you the backstory behind him and introduce you to my buddy. Y'all don't want to miss out. Check it out. All right, I'm introducing my buddy Pete. Hey Pete, what's going on, man?
Hey TK, how's it going?
I'm doing all right. Absolutely, man. Hey, man, what got you into liking Shelby Cobra? I know you got this beautiful example right here, but what's the backstory behind it?
You know, it's kind of a long story. I'll try and shorten it up for you. My dad used to build race engines for Formula cars, and one of the drivers used to come over in a original 427 SC Cobra. And I was 5, 6 years old, and I used to hop in the scene pretending I was a race car driver. And my whole life, I'm like, I've got to have one of those. I can't afford an original, so second best thing is let's build a replica. This is a Factory 5 replica, a Mark IV. And for the purists, it's not an original, but as a driver, much better car. Modern suspension, modern engine. Basically, it's an old car with modern running gear.
It seems like the setup you got it right now is more sophisticated, and then it's a better all-around car for your driving pleasure.
Yeah, one of the things with the Cobra is they're a little spicy, and a lot of people build them and scares them.
Mm-hmm.
So I tried to make this thing as stable and as safe as I could. So I'm running the Mustang 2016 IRS rear end.
Oh, okay.
And I put a big rear gear in it. It's got a 331 rear gear. It's still pretty explosive under acceleration, but that's sort of tamed it down a little bit. If you run the 355 gears, they'll spin the reels all the way through third gear, where this thing will spin first, second, and then it'll hold third. So.
Oh, wow. Good old Coyote.
The motor is kind of a unique story. Most of you guys are probably Chevy guys if you're watching TK's feed, but this is a Ford. And Ford makes a Coyote. There's actually 3 generations. There's Gen 1, Gen 2, Gen 3. This is a Gen 2 Coyote.
Mm-hmm.
It's actually out of an F-150 truck.
Hey, it works.
Yeah, so the motor's essentially the same. The only difference is the camshafts. The primary difference is the camshafts.
Oh, I bet I know there's a difference.
And it's about 20 horsepower more with the Mustang cams. This has still got the stock truck cams in it, because I like the torque, and this car does not need any more power. It's
it's as light as this car is. You don't want to have more power.
Yeah, the
torque.
car weighs about 220 pounds with me in it. So,
exactly your point. You don't need no more power than what it's already pushing out.
And Scram Speed actually did the tune on this, and they did a great job. Recommend them if you need a tune.
Absolutely.
And it's about 449 to the rear wheel, according to the dyno sheet.
Ooh, that is powerful for this lightweight body.
It's basically 500 crank horsepower. So
that's a lot.
We're running headers. You know, obviously no cats, pretty much straight through. It's got a GT18 intake, which is worth quite a bit more power over the stock truck intake. And this plenum here, I designed this. Basically, the air comes in through the air cleaner into this plenum area and then into the throttle body, and the reason I did that was to keep cool air into the intake, so your intake air temperatures are much lower.
And that's a more efficient way of handling that. And hey Pete, I appreciate you sharing that information with me.
Right.
Y'all riding a Shelby Cobra today. Thanks to my buddy Pete right here for making this happen. I greatly appreciate it, man.
Always like to share this thing.
Pete, man.
What'd you think of that there, TK?
Pete, hey, speechless, man. Speechless. This car is really impressive how you just put it all together, man, with this package and how comfortable and sophisticated it really is, even though it do got a lot of power for the weight distribution and all that. But the way it's set up, it just it's so approachable. It really is.
A little curvy like me.
Oh my God. Yeah, but she do got the curve.
Scare you too much.
Scared me. I'm used to it. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, but a lot of people sort of surprised when I stand on it a little bit how much power it has.
Oh, it's really surprising. You know, again, it's because of the weight.
Yeah, that little caddy makes good power though.
It does, no question about it. But that's it, everybody. Like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel, TK Turbo. I'm out.